we're going to learn one of the most important things you can do for your shape, and that's to divide it into segments. Now, these segments will help you make your tabs. Okay, so I'll try to make this short, seeing as you might need to watch it a few times. I'll explain it the best that I can. Okay, so first of all, I'll go to the eraser and I'll get rid of this line here. Okay, so you'll see it's gone. Right, so if you click on your measurement tape first, okay. Second, you need to click on the line of the thing that you want to divide up. So we want to divide this shape into segments. So we click on the left hand side of the shape, double click in the center of the line. Okay, and you'll see it'll draw a line all the way up. All right, so we go about here. Now, we want to, if I get this here, get rid of this because we don't want that line. So what we want to do is copy the line from here to this side of the shape, and that'll give us a distance, okay? And the thing will tell us about the distance in between those two lines, and then we can divide that distance up evenly, okay? So that's what we want to do. So what we've got to do now is we've got our dotted line drawn there. So we click on this 4 arrow tool here, and you'll see it says move. So you click there. All right. Now, don't click on the shape, please. Click above it on the dotted line. Okay, so I click just above it. So hold your left mouse button down on your trackpad. It should be the bottom left-hand corner. Then you are going to reach up and hold the Option key. Okay, so I've got the left button held down, and I've also got the Option key held down as well. So I'm going to drag it across with the third finger on the trackpad, while both keeping them held down, and drag it to the right hand corner, and you'll see it'll come up as endpoint. And then I'm going to lift them both off. So I let go of everything now, and I come down here without pressing anything, without clicking a button, no, and I see this distance here, and I'll see this little squirrely line here. Okay, so what I want to do is click there and delete what's there. Okay, and then I'm going to click backspace. It's the key with a question mark on it. So I click that, and you'll see the backspace come up, and now I get to choose how many segments I want to divide it by. So if I choose 11, it'll cut it into 11 pieces. So I'm going to put 11 in there and click return. And there we go, I've got 11 even pieces all the way across. Now what I can do is the same on the vertical side as well. But the vertical side's not as long, so I probably want less pieces to try to get them the same size. So move tool, click on it outside of the shape, hold my Option key, drag it to the far corner and let them both go. Then come down, I've got the squiggly line, so it's get rid of that. What do I want to divide it by? Backspace. So I've got 11. I might try 7. Okay, so that's a similar shape. I'm quite happy with that. Right, so now I've divided it across, and I've divided it down. So to make my tabs, all I need to do now is have my measurement tool up, and I click on the line of which way I want to make the tabs, and then I drag this up to where I want it. So I want to make 6mm tabs. Okay, so what I want to do is zoom in a bit, because it's easier to drag if I zoom in. I can get it more accurate. There you go, there's 6mm. So I click that, and now I've got my first line for my tabs. And once you're good at this, it's very quick to do it for all sides. There we go, and one more. Click, and now I have all my guidelines ready to draw my tabs.